we want to look at factoring trinomials. And these are a special case. These are when x squared, the coefficient is 1. There are 4 possibilities. If you want to refer back to the sheet that I provided, you may do that, or this video may be all that you need to get you through. And so what we want to do is when we look at these, the signs between our terms is what's really important, and that's going to give us a clue of how to find the answer. So the last sign, this tells me if the signs are the same or different. If it's plus, the signs are going to be the same. So this is going to be the same. And then the sign on the left is going to tell me what those signs are. So for this one, they're both going to be positive. And then here, this tells me what they add up to. So I need to find the factors of 8. So I've got 1 times 8 and 2 times 4. So which pair adds up to 6? Well, it's going to be this one right here. So I'm going to have an x and an x. And remember we said the signs are the same and they're both positive, so I know I can go ahead and put my pluses in there. And then I've got a 2 and a 4. So now why don't you try the one on the right and come back and see me. Welcome back. So again, the signs are going to be the same because I have a plus sign. Only this time they're both going to be negative and they're going to add up to 7. So what are the factors of 10? I've got 1 times 10 and I've got 2 times 5. Well, the only one that adds up to 7 is 5 and 2. So I'm going to have my x and an x. We said the signs are the same, they're both subtraction. And I've got a 2 and I've got a 5. And it really is that simple. So now the next row, those are where they're going to be different. So now the sign on the right is a minus, which tells me the signs are going to be different. This tells me the larger, and this tells me the difference. I know that's not the greatest way to read it, but we're going to try. So I'm going to do the factors of 12. So I've got 1 times 12, I've got 2 times 6, and I've got 3 times 4. So I need a difference of 1. The 3 and the 4 have a difference of 1, so I'm going to do x and x. We said the signs are different. The sign of the larger is a minus, so 4, 3, so 4 is larger. And that's it. So I want you to try again, pause the video, come back, and I'll walk you through the last one. Welcome back. Again, the sign on the right says that the signs are different. This time the larger is going to be a positive, and they're going to have a difference of 2. So I'm going to write down my factors of 15. So I've got 1 and 15, and I've got 3 and 5. And of course the 3 and the 5 are the only ones that have a difference of 2. So I'm going to have x and x. I said I've got a positive and a negative. The larger sign is going to be the 5, and then I've got a 3. And that's it.